Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off HDR mode for video recording. Okay, so if you like to turn on or off the HDR mode for video recording, you will need to go to the settings. In the settings, go to camera that you'll find right here, and now go to record video. Now scroll down and find HDR video. What you should do is just disable it now or enable it. Now your HDR is off, and when you record a video, it'll be just a standard video, not HDR. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.